things for me is when the students come back and share what they have experienced, and when they were talking about what it meant to be able to do service, understanding that sometimes they live in a very privileged world, but then being able to walk into the other and understand how vulnerable some families are, how challenging it is for them to live, then suddenly the students become more aware of what are the structural issues, what are the critical issues, what are the things that they need to be thinking about, and how then can we be the agents of transformation.
I'm the founding director, and so I've been here since 1985, and over 32 years. And we started Visitation House as part of our preferential option for the poor, and looking at who are the poor in our midst. So we found this fabulous old house. There were two of us. And we got we started out wanting to just get something bigger than what we needed and inviting families to live with us so that we could get a sense of what the real needs were, because we didn't want to be creating programs what we thought they needed.
And those headboards.
Our key to change is education. All the women in the program have to be studying. We have a learning center that we started about 10 years ago, right on the other side. It's another little house. And there we teach English as a second language and GED and Spanish and English. We're the only place besides the University of Mexico that teaches GED in Spanish, and they can test in Spanish. And so there we serve the immigrant population.
It's not head only, it's heart. And sometimes when we do it with our hands, it makes a big difference, not just with my head. Because when I scrub the floor, or maybe I pull up the weeds, or I move the furniture, I begin to understand what are the needs of that particular group, and then can somehow respond. So for me, if you want to think about mission as empowering our students to take, I want to say, an intentional orientation towards citizenship, which for me is about participation. It's about being part of the whole and changing and contributing back to society.